So we're in Fresno, California. We just finished installing a toilet in the master bath. This is the one that we had taken a video of previously where we had the damaged closet flange in the floor. So they came in, had a tile guy pop the tiles, and then a concrete sawing company come in, cut the concrete. We came in, did the repair, and then of course concrete contractor came in, patched the floor back in, and tile guy came back, put the tile in. So big process for one project, but you know, that's the problem when you've got a corroded flange. Not a real big fan of the steel flanges with the powder coating on it. As long as the toilet's set correctly and you don't get moisture on it, it's fine. As soon as you get water down there, it begins to eat away at the steel, and then you have a problem. So anyways, not to go on and on, the shutoff valve back there on the wall has been replaced, so that's brand new braided stainless steel supply line, 3/8 by 7/8 by 20. It's a Fluid Master. And then of course toilet is existing. This is the homeowners. We did replace the flush lever there. They wanted chrome. The rest of the bathroom is chrome, and it had oil rub bronze on there, so we replaced that. And then we adjusted the play in the lever. You can see just very little bit of play before it activates. You know, when you have too much play in here, you hit it and it starts to flush, and then it stops, and then you have debris left from the toilet. So you can see it's adjusted correctly. It's about a 1/2 inch low from the top, so it's filling correctly, shutting off correctly, and flushing correctly. Outside of that, this installation is done.